Digits on the beat.
Oi, oi, what do we have here then? Wait a minute, is this near complete front end? I think it is. Out of ring and bumper needed. And to finish off this, bits and bobs. Bring on the update video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the next episode of the restoration of my Mini. So it's been a really long while, well, a long time. Garage is shut. Been ages since I've been uploading or whatever, just because of school and other things and bobs. So I've got a giveaway in this episode, so keep on watching. I'll show you around the progress and then I will do the giveaway. So yeah, from the intro you'll know that the front end is basically complete. Got the heated front windscreen in. That's just got to connect switches up and stuff. But yeah, there's no interior. Got a top bottom dash rail and heater in. Doors on that side. Headlining's in. But yeah, there's not much really inside. I need to put the rear screen in. That's the door, driver's door that's being fitted. Yeah, need to finish that light, but I've got that light on and sorted. What else has been going on? I'm currently wrapping my dash for the car. But yeah, it's not too bad. Quite happy with it at the moment. I'm going to put a JTEC sticker in this bottom area on the inside. So the giveaway is a temperature gauge out of a Smith's proper temperature gauge. It's probably like 20 quid worth, so not a lot, but I can't use it, so I thought I'd give away. So we've got that brand new the strip for a Mini Cooper, or Mini Cooper, a saloon. So that's all packaged. It is opened, but I haven't used it because look, the tape's still on it. It's just literally sat in there, and it will come with a Josh Smith and JTEC sticker. So not a lot, but stuff going on, but it's good. We are on target. Yeah, we are on target for Bristol IMM 2019 with all the tickets, and it is looking like it should be there. It'll be there even if it's on a trailer, even if it doesn't get driven there. But I am trying to convoy with some people to get down. We do have a new Mini. It's a 1918 Mini Club and Estate in russet brown. We bought that as Dad we're gonna do it as Dad's van, as a daily. Circumstances have changed, so it is for sale, or it was for sale. It has been bought. You probably will know the guy, but I'm not going to name anything or anyone. And he is coming hopefully within the next couple of weeks, and when he comes we'll do some videoing of me and him and the car going and stuff. Shout out to girlfriend Laura, who's been helping recently. Like, she's an absolute gem. She helped me put window in, she's been doing all the sound deadening, she put the air filter on the car, all these little jobs she's been doing. And yeah, so shout out to you. If you're watching that, she will be, but there you go. Me and her hoping to get to Bingley. Well, I'm definitely going, just hoping she comes, to be honest. So Bingley will be the next show I'll be at. Yeah, the giveaway, just comment below anything. Only one comment though, please. Just one comment, and I'll shout that. Well, I'll do the winner in the next episode. But yeah, thank you, Lord, for everything you've been helping with. The other week I was thinking of selling it, just had enough, had no money. Well, not selling it, but I was just a bit fed up. So, but no, she told me to just carry on. Without her there wouldn't be this car, to be honest. It would be here, but not as decent as what it looks like, because I'd have rushed it or done something stupid. So yeah, that's it for me. This week I'm off school. Yeah, so if you're watching Laura, thank you so much for that. And it is her birthday tomorrow, so we'll do something for her. Well, as a surprise for her, but yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's about it for now. Please like and subscribe for more. Like, yeah, I know I haven't been around for a while, but I'm gonna try and do more vlogging as well, and bits and bobs I'm up to, and little stupid bits and bobs. But yeah, the week off. But yeah, I'm working all week. I'm repainting the classic Beetle. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Social media below, go and check me out, follow me, and that. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. So cheers.